Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook cabbage and sausage. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need 1 medium head of cabbage, about 1 pound of your favorite sausage, and 1 medium onion. Start by chopping the cabbage into roughly 1-inch pieces and dicing the onion. Then, slice your sausage into 1/2-inch rounds. This preparation ensures everything cooks evenly and efficiently, setting us up for a delicious meal. Now, let's get that sausage beautifully browned. Place a large skillet or Dutch oven over medium-high heat and add about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil. Once the oil is shimmering, add your sliced sausage. Cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes, turning occasionally until it develops a rich, golden brown crust on all sides. Then, remove the sausage and set it aside, keeping those flavorful drippings in the pan. With the sausage drippings still in the pan, it's time to cook our vegetables. Add the diced onion and sauté it for about 5 minutes until it becomes translucent and fragrant. Next, add all of your chopped cabbage to the pan. Stir everything together, ensuring the cabbage is well coated with those delicious drippings. Continue cooking for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring periodically until the cabbage softens to a tender, crisp texture. Finally, let's bring all these wonderful flavors together. Return your beautifully browned sausage back into the pan with the tender cabbage and onions. Give everything a gentle stir to ensure it's all well combined and heated through. Let it cook for just another 2 to 3 minutes. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. This hearty dish is now ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.